Yeah, so here I have an Aciera F1 on a desktop version. So it comes with the stand, and this is a special one because it runs on 230 volt. Plug and play. This is not the original switch. It's for the lamp. There's no lamp connected, so that's a possibility for somebody to put a lamp close to the Aciera F1. It comes with some basic accessories over there, and yeah, I'm going to see if I can make a cut in this piece. Sometimes this lever operation is really nice. It gives a good feeling, and so yeah, I can show that here. Here's the nut, and with this one it's possible to disengage the nut from the housing. Okay, better to put it back. And on the other side, there's a possibility to put the lever here. So this is an accenter. Here you can unlock it with this small screw, and then with the pin you can rotate it to engage it on the here in the gearing. So now it's engaged. Better to take it out of this with the accenter. So that's with this one you can rotate the whole unit. So yeah, for now I have the lever installed. This is so nice to feel it. Let's yeah, it's a pleasure to work with this machine for sure. Here is the accessory set, so it comes also with the vertical milling and some arbors here, milling arbors, beautiful collet set, the end stops, over arms 2 times, yeah, the other 2 levers and the key for the main spindle. So there's 4 end stops here. 2 end stops are installed. Yeah, I will make another video after this one, but really nice piece for on the desktop, super easy plug and play. So the vise here is a not original one. It's clamped down here with these 2 pieces, but it's a nice small clamp. Okay, thank you for watching.